somewhere in your city right now is it someone's birthday, and that person only has one rule today. It's my birthday. I deserve it. The fancy haircut they keep putting off, today they book it. The massage they always say it's too expensive, today it's not. Dinner out, dessert included. No guilt today. On your birthday, spending does not need a reason. The birthday is the reason. All of that birthday spending is happening today. You cannot win a game you do not know is being played. So today, we fix that forever. I'm building a machine inside GoHighLevel with 4 actions only. It alerts your team, it texts the customer, and it emails them a birthday offer, and it creates a sales opportunity automatically. Every birthday, forever. And I will explain why every piece matters so you actually understand the machine, not just copy it. So without further ado, let's jump right in. First of all, you would want to log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Then go all the way down to automation, because this is where you build all of your workflows. Now, what you want to do is you're going to click Create Workflow. There's plenty of options here, but today we're going to be focusing on starting from scratch. Now, you're looking at an empty canvas, and this is where we built the machine. But before we do anything else, let's name this automation. So we can do something like B-Day reminder, just like that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click Add New Trigger. Then, add the trigger called Birthday Reminder, just like this. Now, there is no filters, but if you like to put some filters just so you can actually specify all of your needs, you can go ahead and add that. But when you're done that part, you're going to click Save Trigger. Now, we're going to teach what the machine to do. So click this plus button right here and search internal notification right here. Now, you will see all sorts of options like email, notification, SMS, and WhatsApp. You're going to choose what you like most. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to select an example, SMS. Now, you're going to select a user right here. So you want to select all users, assigned owners, custom numbers, or particular users. But for me, I usually like to put it all users. Now you can select the message here to send to your team. So what this internal notification actually does is it doesn't send the notification to the customer. It sends the notification to all of your team. So they actually know it's the customer's birthday. And if you want to give them like a 20% discount and you're a clinic, what you can do is instead of reminding all of your sales team, you can simply just send this internal notification, select all users, and everybody inside your GoHighLevel sub account will already know this. So you can type a message here. Let's just type, I wrote name B-Day today, because you can put your name right here and you can select birthday right here. Now you're going to click Save Action. Now what you're going to do is once again, you're going to click the plus button under internal notification. Now you're going to search up Send SMS right here. Now, what you're going to do in here is this is actually where the customer gets the notification. So let's type, for example, let's say the customer name was something like Sarah. So what you could type like, hi, Sarah. Today is your birthday, so you can get a 20% discount. Now, this is just really straightforward, but you can actually write with AI right here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's click Write with AI, and let's say, make this more friendly, just like that. And let's select the tone. Let's do friendly, just like that, and generate SMS. So it already generated the SMS less than a millisecond, actually. Then you could do high contact full name. Happy birthday, Sarah. As a special treat, enjoy a 20% discount today. We hope you have a fantastic day filled with joy. Best wishes, your team. Then you can do use message. And there we go. You actually set the message right here. This SMS is the most part. And since we send the internal notification to all of your team members, you don't need to put a coupon code in here that's really complicated and she needs to remember, or whoever's having his or her birthday today, they don't need to remember the complicated QR code, and your team already knows it's their birthday. So you could do save action. Now you're gonna once again click the plus button and select send email. Now some people might be thinking, why are we sending an email? We already just send it an SMS. Well, that's because if Sarah, for example, doesn't check her SMS, she can check her email. And some key tips are in email are make sure to put your customer's name in it when they have their birthday. And maybe you could put like a 10-20% discount in there. And if you do that, that email is definitely getting opened because you put her name in there. That shows you really care about her as a customer and you gave her a 20% discount. So you could just type her message here, something like this, and do save action just like that. Some people might also think, why are we also sending an email? Wouldn't that be annoying? No, that's not annoying. An SMS is fast and easy to read, but an email is short, simple, casual, and more friendlier than the email. SMS. Now, before we do anything else, we have one last action right here, and that is create opportunity right here. Now, what create opportunity actually does is it actually takes Sarah, for example, as an actual sale or an actual customer. So you can select a pipeline like prospecting, or you can simply just create new. But I'm going to put it in prospecting. And now you're going to add a field. And that field is going to be opportunity name. Now you're going to enter the person's name. So for example, let's say the person is Sarah. So you can just put her name like that. Or if it's someone named Mark, you can do that, or just anything else their name is. Then do save action. And there we go, we have successfully built the workflow. So let's go back where we started. Somewhere in your city, it is someone's birthday, and they have one rule today. It's my birthday, and I deserve it. Before today, your business has no idea what was even happening. But now, they have a machine watching every single birthday. The team gets alerted, the customer gets a text, then an email. Then a real opportunity lands on the board with a dollar value attached. 4 actions, 10 minutes to build, and it runs forever. While every business forgets, you remember. And people come back to your business that remembered their birthday. If you want a new GoHighLevel machine like this every single week, subscribe right now because next time I'm building something even bigger. And if you ever want to try GoHighLevel, go down in my description and try that link. And I gotta go because it's my friend's birthday today. See you in the next one.